Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Amaranths. I love Amaranth, love growing Amaranth. There's so many different types. There are the ornamental types, the really colorful foliage. There's, types for grain if you want to grow grain. And there's the really kind of, just ornamental plumes. I recently posted a picture of them on Instagram and somebody, I can't remember who it was, sorry, said, "Mine have holes in them. What's wrong with them?" To which I said, "Oh girl, I know what you mean. Listen, these things look terrible this year. Amaranth are always a thing that look kind of ratty in my yard. They always have these holes all over them, and I believe, don't quote me because I'm not an expert, I'm just some person with a yard, just like you are, hopefully, if you're watching this, or containers, or whatever. And I have flea beetles. Flea beetles are wonderful little bugs that just eat holes into your plants. At the beginning of the year, I noticed that the flea beetles were all over all of my plants. I even went as far as to buy some insecticide from the home improvement store because I was like, this is bad. I can't let this happen, But by the time I actually went to the store and bought it, I went back to the garden. I was about to spray these things, and they were all gone. Every single one of them was gone. There's no signs of holes anymore. I was like, okay, good. I don't have to spray anything. Well, about a week went by, and I looked back in the back corner of the garden, and the amaranth started to look kind of weird. I don't really go in the back corner of the garden because it's hard to get back there, for one, because things are so grown up, and two, I plant things that I don't have to harvest but once back there, things like amaranth and things like corn. So there's really no reason for me to climb back there unless I'm going to harvest some corn or harvest some amaranth. So I climbed back there, and as it turned out, the infestation of flea beetles that was present in the whole yard had totally migrated to the amaranth. Luckily, this stuff is really tough, and it's been a while since I took this footage, and it's kind of recovered some, and it's even starting to make its flowers. What's weird about this is that some varieties are hit a lot harder than others. Varieties with real tough leaves, like the purple varieties, doesn't seem to be bothered as much, while things with really succulent leaves, like I planted an ornamental type this year, the ornamental type has just been devoured. And that drives me crazy. I was really looking forward to the pretty foliage. Anyway, the flea beetles are on here. There's now flea beetle larvae. I'm going to be looking into a control for this in the future. I'm not going to do anything this year. It's just, I feel like it's too late, that ship has sailed for me to intervene. Hopefully we'll still get some nice plumes that we can use in flower arrangements. And if we don't, we don't. That's fine too. That's actually one of the reasons that I really, really love amaranth just so much, is because they are so strong and robust. So let me know all about it. If you had this problem in your garden before, what did you do about it? Did you do anything about it? I would love to hear from you. If you like this one, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you making new videos pretty frequently. Share it with your friends, all that good stuff. I hope y'all are having a great day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.